Hi friends, my name is Bharat D, WRK20CS2113. Today we are going to see a question in DSA Experiment 4 lab session, array implementation of singly linked list. The question given is to create a linked list and implement the following function: insertion, deletion, and display and search. Let's go to the program. We have two class nodes in a singly linked list. First thing we are going to do is we will disconnect the head node and we will insert a node between them. New data is equal to node new data. After this function is run, it prints it is inserted at the front of the linked list. Insertion successful. After the function, it comes def insert after we get the self, previous element, and new data from the user. And if self.head is equal to none, it prints link is empty because nothing is inside the function. Then it returns, and if else it runs a while loop. Temp.next equal to none. If it is not equal to none and temp.data is not equal to previous element, temp.data is next, then it prints it is inserted after an element and is linked in insertion successful. Otherwise else it prints previous element is not found, link insertion unsuccessful. After that there comes the def insert function. If self.head is equal to none and if self.head is equal to new mode, it prints the new data is inserted at the rear of the linked list, insertion successful. Otherwise it returns the function last is equal to self.head while last is equal to self.next. If this function and it runs a while loop here, and last is equal to last.next equal to new mode, the new data is inserted at the rear and linked list, insertion successful. After that comes the delete key. If self.head is equal to none, it prints link is empty because there is nothing inside the list. And then else it temp equal to self.head, it runs a while loop. Temp.next and temp.data is not equal to key, then previous value is equal to temp, and temp is equal to temp.next. If self.head equal to data.key, it prints the key is deleted from the front and of the linked data, deletion successful. Otherwise it prints the deletion from the linked list, deletion successful. Otherwise it prints key not found, deletion unsuccessful. The next keyword is def search key. If self.head is equal to none, it prints linked list is empty because nothing is inside the list. Then else it position is equal to 0, temp is equal to self.head while the temp.next is not equal to none and temp.data is not equal to key, then temp is equal to temp.next. Post equal to increment 1, then temp.data is equal to key, it prints they have found the position. Otherwise it prints element not found. Then it comes to the display. Temp.self equal to head and if temp equal to none, it prints linked list is empty because there's nothing inside the list. Otherwise it runs the while loop. Temp not equal to none, it runs the while loop and prints none and prints the output in the following. While we have like a minute driven function: insert front, insert after node, insert rear, delete, node, search, display. All the characters are under here, and the user is asked to tell what function he has to do. If the function is to insert a previous element, 2, and if the user need to insert at the end, enter data to be inserted at the end of the list. To delete a key, enter of the data to be deleted from the list. Enter search, enter the data to be searched, and to display and to print. In here, if the user prints within 1 to 7 in the existing link and runs the program and executes the following file, if the user prints the invalid number and it prints incorrect option, enter a option between 1 to 7 and the program finishes here. And this is how this program is done. In the result, the linked list ADT is implemented using array. The functions of insertion, deletion, display and has been implemented and executed successfully. Thank you.